Hello, good evening, Sandra.
Hello, good evening.
Hello, Melvin, good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Tener cuidado y te bañaras.
Okay, welcome to class, everybody. Hi, Veronica. We're gonna start the class.
Hi, teacher. Good evening.
Good evening. Okay, I think we can start with word search activity, and to see if someone else connects later because I suppose the rain and the traffic is heavy right now. So we're gonna check outdoor activities. We have a couple of words here on the right side of the word search. I need you to help me locate them, okay? You can give me instructions. Also, if you want, you can use the annotation section and you can help me locate the words if you decide to do it. If not, you can just give me the instructions. These are outdoor activities. That means activities we can do outside, right? Or I mean vocabulary that is related, not only activities, but vocabulary related to outdoor activities. How are you doing? Did you find any word?
I find
What is the word, Marvin?
walking.
Walking. Where
Uh,
is it?
Column 2.
Oh, yeah, it's the first row
To the right.
to the right. Nice. Walking.
Painting.
Painting. Okay.
Painting. Column 2. No, perdón, column 1.
Column 1. Mhm.
Es,
Second row.
yes.
Very good.
Animals.
Where is animals?
Column 10. Back, backwards. 3.
Column 10. Row 3. Backwards.
Backwards.
That is in the column 1.
Mhm.
Row 6.
2, 4, 6. Yeah, I see it.
The right.
Very good. Head.
Column 8.
Uh-huh.
Row 4.
Row 4.
Backward. Games.
Games. Very good.
Column 12. Running.
Okay, yeah, the first row. Very good.
Column 3.
Column 3.
Row 8.
Row 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Baseball.
Baseball.
Nice.
Column 3.
Huh?
Column 3. Row 9.
Row 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
Tennis.
Tennis. Good. Verónica, fíjese que se escucha bastante el sonido de fondo, como que si estuvieran escuchando la televisión por ahí, se escucha bastante fuerte.
Ahorita.
Vaya. Ay, disculpe que le mencione, pero sí se escucha bastante fuerte.
Column 5. Skin.
Column 5. 2, 4, 6.
Skin.
I mean, is column or row?
Es
Row,
column.
pro. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Así
5.
es. Row.
Row 5.
Sí, yes.
Very good.
Quite usted. Column 4.
Column 4.
Row. Se me olvida el 14.
14.
14. Camping.
The last row, you mean the last one, right?
Okay.
Very good. Camping.
Teacher, column 10.
Okay. 10.
Row 10.
Row 10.
Backward. Motion.
Okay, yeah, that is
Column, a ver, 7.
2, 4,
So,
2, 4, 6, 7. Row 7.
so.
Very good.
Column,
that is zoo.
Column 11.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11.
Ah, pues no es la otra. Esa, sí. Row 2.
Row 2. Horseback.
Horseback.
Good.
¿Cómo se diría? No es columna, sino que es... le dice picnic. Sería...
Row.
Wow.
Row is fila in English.
La fila row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Picnic.
2, 4. Then the row.
Picnic. 11.
This
No,
is row.
no. La otra. Sería ahí. Ajá. Picnic.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Column 1. Row 6. Park. Parks.
Oh, it's plural.
Excuse me, teacher. ¿Cómo se diría cuando está cruzado?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. Arts. Quiero ver, sería... ¿cómo le podría decir?
You have
Está art, tendría que ser de la última. Empieza la A, pero está en art, en column,
okay,
en
but
diagonal.
try to use English, right? The words columns, rows, diagonal, then you use the numbers, right? Column P5, row 10.
Teacher, row 13.
Row 13,
Hiking.
what column?
Up, row, teacher.
Yeah, this is row, but what column does it start?
Yes.
You can tell me row 13, column 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes,
6,
yes,
7.
yes.
Column 11,
Uh-huh.
row 12,
Row 12,
swimming.
backwards. I think I already found art. Okay, this is how you can say it, Veronica. You count 1, 2, 3, 4. You say, oh, column 4, and then you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And you tell me, column 4, row 13, diagonal backwards.
Okay.
So we only missing writing.
Column 8,
Column 8, 2, 4, 6, 8.
es diagonal.
Diagonal. Column 8. Okay, this is column 8. What is the row?
No, perdón, row 8.
Row 8.
Yes,
This is row 8.
yes.
Diagonal down. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's go one by one with the words. Repeat, please. Games.
Games,
Riding.
riding,
Horseback.
horseback,
Animals.
Animals.
animals,
Baseball.
Baseball.
baseball,
Walking.
Walking.
walking,
Camping.
camping,
Zoo.
zoo,
Painting.
Painting.
painting,
Tennis.
tennis,
Tennis.
Running.
running,
Parks.
Park.
Arts.
cars,
Hiking.
hiking,
Picnic.
Picnic.
Skiing.
King.
Remember, it's like skiing.
King.
Museums.
museum,
Swimming.
swimming,
Pets.
pets,
Pet.
Good. Did you find new words?
Horseback.
Horseback is like when you say in Spanish, a caballo. So you can say, I go to the farm horseback.
Okay.
Horse.
Hiking.
Hiking is an outdoor activity that you do when you go to a mountain, you go walking to a mountain, right? It's like escalar in Spanish.
Reading.
Which one?
Reading.
This one, riding.
Raining. Yes.
Riding is the gerund form of ride, right? Montar. It can be riding a horse, riding a bike, riding a motorcycle.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's go with the manual. I'll show you the first activity. Today we're going to start with page 23. It says, well, let me ask for help. See, Rene, Ivan, could you read the objective of today's class, please?
Okay, I will be able to give and ask for opinion about a customer satisfaction of a product.
Thank you very much. Now repeat. Everybody repeats. Satisfaction.
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 Like in the song, right? Probably you remember that electronic song. Satisfaction. Okay. So we're going to start with activity 1. It says, how was the last experience of a customer's purchase? Satisfying or dissatisfying? Why? So I want to know, what was the last product that you bought? What was the last product? For example, it can be an electronic device. It can be a piece of clothing. It can be a piece of furniture. It can be anything, right? What was the last product that you bought? What was the last product? Was it a TV? Was it a cell phone? Was it a bed? What was the last product? So I will write the question here. What was the last product you bought? So what was it?
A laptop.
Okay, so I'm gonna write it. A laptop. And was it a good experience, Marvin? Was it satisfying or dissatisfying?
It was satisfying.
Satisfying. Okay. Very good. Thank you. Someone else? What was the last product you bought?
Coach, how do you say jabón de cara?
A face soap.
I bought a face soap.
Soap. Okay. And was it, the experience was satisfying or dissatisfying for you?
Satisfying because it was
It's a good quality soap.
yes.
Okay. Thank you, Daniela. Someone else? What was the last product you bought?
Bread with coffee.
Can you repeat it, Rebecca?
Bread?
Bread?
Bread with coffee.
Okay, bread with coffee. Okay. Was the experience satisfying or dissatisfying?
Satisfying.
Satisfying. Okay. Good. Manuel David says a refrigerator. So was it a satisfying or dissatisfying experience? Manuel?
satisfied.
Satisfying. Okay. Very good. Someone else?
Fan.
The same. You bought a refrigerator?
No.
What did you buy?
Fan. Ventilador.
Ah, a fan.
A fan.
A fan. And was it a satisfying or dissatisfying experience? Sandra?
Dissatisfying.
Why?
Very noisy.
Oh, okay. The fan is very noisy. But is it like it brings nice air, like cool air, or no?
¿Perdón?
Si da aire fresco, no? It gives
Yes,
cool
pero,
air.
o sea, es muy fuerte el sonido.
Okay, it's very noisy.
Yes.
Okay, so it was a dissatisfying. We're gonna place it in red. Red, red, red. Okay, thank you. Someone else who wants to share?
Shoes.
A pair of shoes. Okay. And was it a satisfying or dissatisfying experience? Cynthia?
¿Cómo?
Was it a satisfying or dissatisfying experience?
Fine.
It was fine. Okay. It was
Sí.
satisfying.
Yes.
Okay. Someone else?
T-shirt.
A t-shirt or a
Yes.
teacher.
T-shirt.
Okay. Yeah, you cannot buy a teacher, right?
T-shirt.
Okay. And was it a satisfying or dissatisfying experience?
Dissatisfying.
Why?
Size is small.
Okay, so it was the wrong size.
Yes.
Did you change the product?
No.
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 Okay. So it was dissatisfying. Thank you, Monica. Very good. Okay. I think now we can continue. I asked you about this because this is about customers' satisfaction, right? CSAT, customer satisfaction. So we're gonna check a little bit about it. Now let me just erase this and take you back to the manual. In activity number 2, it says read a survey about a customer's experience with a product. How satisfied are you with this product? You are going, well, supposedly this is a survey already completed, right? There are 4 questions or statements in which you choose one option, okay? So you are going to check the survey and then you have to complete activity 3. So you have to answer using the information. But first, I need you to repeat after me, okay? Let's start with the number 1. Repeat, please. How satisfied?
How satisfied?
How satisfied
How satisfied
So satisfied.
Are you with this product?
are
you
are you with this product?
Are you with this product?
Very satisfied?
Very
Very
satisfied?
Very satisfying.
Satisfied?
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 Dissatisfied?
Dissatisfied?
Satisfied.
Very dissatisfied.
Very
Very
satisfied?
Satisfied.
After saying the word satisfied many times, it sounds weird. Okay, number 2. Rate your opinion
Write your opinion
Right.
Your opinion
about the product's quality.
about the
Oh, the
product's
the
quality.
product quality.
High quality,
High quality,
High quality.
average,
Average.
Average.
low quality,
Low
low
quality.
quality,
Quality.
very low quality.
Very
very
low
low
quality.
quality.
The value of this product is
The
The
value
value
of
The
this
value of
product
the
is
product is
Excellent.
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 Good.
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 Poor.
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 Very poor.
Very poor.
Very
Very poor.
Very
Poor.
cool.
Will you continue using this product?
Will you continue using
Will
this
you
product?
continue
In this
using this
product?
product?
Well, I won't read. You already know
Yes,
yes or
no.
no. Mhm.
Yes,
Okay.
no.
So you're gonna double check the service answers and you're gonna answer the questions in the breakout rooms. I will give you 5 minutes to do that. Understood?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it is page 23 if you have the manual, and also I will send the picture to WhatsApp, okay? Second.
Yes.
Yes, because is the product
Very
is
low.
very low quality and it's would is would bad in the future in 2 or 3 years ago. Hmm. What about you think, René?
Hello. Este, in future is able the product, how to say, ya no funcione o no funcione desde el inicio.
It doesn't work.
Oh, it doesn't work, the product.
Okay. What about you, Cynthia? Oh, what about you, Sandra?
Es respecto a la respuesta de la 3, ¿verdad?
Ponían a hacer allá en bachillerato, ¿verdad?
Ujú.
Very low
Todo lo que nos
quality.
tenían que, la tabulación y todo eso. Yo me
Cabal.
acuerdo. Ok,
Ok.
ok. Number one, how was the customer's experience?
Ujú.
Ajá.
¿Cuál fue la
eh,
experiencia del cliente?
ajá. Eh, in general, sería.
Ujú.
Voy a ver. No. Sería, según de la encuesta, the client is dissatisfied. Pero no sé. Hello, mister. Sorry, mister. Vamos a poner alguna palabra en específico o vamos a poner fue una mala experiencia, por decirlo así.
In which one? 1, 2, or 3?
Number one, question one.
How was the customer experience? Well, actually, you can take it from the. Remember, there are no specific answers, so you have to analyze and you have to say it was good, it was not good, like your analysis about it.
Okay,
It was
okay.
bad.
Ok, mister. In general sería
Yep.
la respuesta.
In general.
How do you think, Miss Veronica?
Number 2 is the product a good.
No, don't use
Ujú.
it.
Very low quality.
Yes.
Ujú.
Finish.
Finish.
Okay.
Yes, we have an answer for question number 3.
Okay.
Ok.
Tendría que ser algo más general, o sea, que pueda abarcar todos los productos. Porque en la última es manufacturing defect. No sé si tiene algún otro defecto usted.
No, así dejémoslo. Manufacture defect.
Yes.
¿Las anota en algún cuaderno usted?
En la compu lo estoy anotando.
Ah, no, yo en un cuaderno porque no puede editarlos en el teléfono. Bueno, como ahí se hace por si preguntaron, va.
Sí. No sé si Oscar tiene alguna otra respuesta.
Hostia. Valeria. También. No question.
Hey everybody, welcome back. Let's check your answers. So in general, how was the customer's experience buying the products?
It was dissatisfied.
It was dissatisfying, right?
Yes.
If you check the answers, all of them are bad, like ideas of a product. It says dissatisfied, very low quality, poor. Will you continue using the product? Obviously, the person says no. So it was a dissatisfying experience. That's what we can write here. So let me place it. So we can say it was a dissatisfying experience, right? It was a dissatisfying experience. And the number 2, it says, is the product a good one or a bad one?
Bad one.
It is a bad one, right? It was a bad one. Or it is, actually, should be it is a bad one. And the number 3, think about possible problems the customer had with the product. Obviously, it doesn't say, but what are possible problems the customers may have encounter with the product? Mm-hmm.
It has another features.
It has
the quality.
The quality. Very low quality.
Okay, so we can say, okay, to be more specific, because we talk about quality, but for example, we can say it was broken.
Yes.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Depending on the product, right? If it is a laptop, imagine, and you buy it and you, I don't know, you charge the battery and then it doesn't turn on. So obviously it's a problem.
Was expensive.
It was expensive. Very good. Yeah, those could be some problems the customer may have had with the product. Okay, so those are ideas. Obviously, yours can be different. Any question? Nope. Okay. Now we're gonna work on, before I explain the grammar, we're gonna work on a listening activity. So let me show you. The name of the activity is Hamburger Restaurant. We're gonna check idioms first. The first one is fill up on. That is when you become full. So you eat a lot, so you fill up on, right? The example say, hey, don't fill up on potato chips before lunch. You still need to eat your vegetables, right? So when you eat a lot, you fill up on. So repeat, fill up on.
Fill up
Fill up.
Become full.
Become full.
Okay, and also we have whip up. that is to
Whip up.
quickly prepare.
Whip up.
Could you
Preparing.
Quickly prepare.
could you whip up a simple salad for the barbecue? So that is, could you do it fast, right? Whip up, that is quickly prepare. Now, we're gonna listen to the audio and check the answers on the items here. The first one says, the customer doesn't buy the recommended sandwich because options. It is too expensive for him, he's worried about the effect on his body, or he doesn't want a big burger. Number two, the combo meal doesn't come with a dessert. The combo meal doesn't come, it's the same. So a dessert and a sandwich, right? The next one says, how does the specialty drink get its name? It is prepared in the kitchen sink, it comes in a very large cup, or it contains a wide range of ingredients. The man is surprised with the price of his meal because he thinks the meal is overpriced. He was charged for 2 sandwiches instead of 1, or he feels a drink should be included. And the last one, at the end, the customer decides to come again later, orders something from the menu, or goes somewhere else to eat. So we're gonna listen to the audio and choose the correct answers, okay?
Hi, welcome to Joe's Hamburger Restaurant, home of the 1 pound super deluxe hot and spicy cheeseburger. Will this be for here or to go?
To go.
Okay, what would you like today? Would you like to try the 1 pound super hot and spicy cheeseburger?
I don't think so. I'd probably have heartburn for a week after downing that monster.
Well, it's our house special this week, and it comes with fries and a large specialty drink called Everything But the Kitchen Sink.
A what? Everything but the kitchen sink? What in the world is that?
Well, it's a little mix of everything in a large cup. Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta Orange, and lemonade with crushed ice and a scoop of ice cream.
Now that sounds disgusting.
Hey, it'll grow on you.
Nah, I think I'll just order a hamburger with some mustard and lettuce and a glass of water.
Boring. Hey, would you care for anything else, like a side order of amazing cheesy onion rings?
No, thank you. Onion rings usually don't agree with me.
Okay, your total comes to $10.90.
$10.90? For just a hamburger? You gotta be kidding.
Well, the 1 pound super deluxe hamburger is $9.
Hey, I didn't order a 1 pound burger. I just wanted a simple burger, that's all.
Well, sir, Joe's Hamburger Restaurant only serves 1 pound burgers.
Man.
The 1 pound super hot and spicy, the 1 pound barbecue burger, and the 1 pound bacon cheeseburger. The 1 pound...
No, those are all huge.
Well, sir, if you really want something smaller, you should order from the kids' menu. The half-pound super hot and spicy burger, the half-pound barbecue burger, the half-pound bacon cheeseburger, the half-pound...
No, those are still giant burgers.
Well, in these parts, we are hearty eaters.
Okay, but you said my total was $10.90, but the burger only comes to $10. What about the other 90 cents?
Well, sir, we only serve natural spring water from yonder hills.
Okay. I'll take the giant burger and a bottle of your spring water. The sandwich should feed me for a week.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to. I didn't notice that. I will play one more time.
Hi, welcome to Joe's Hamburger Restaurant, home of the 1 pound super deluxe hot and spicy cheeseburger. Will this be for here or to go?
To go.
Okay, what would you like today? Would you like to try the 1 pound super hot and spicy cheeseburger?
I don't think so. I'd probably have heartburn for a week after downing that monster.
Well, it's our house special this week, and it comes with fries and a large specialty drink called Everything But the Kitchen Sink.
A what? Everything but the kitchen sink? What in the world is that?
Well, it's a little mix of everything in a large cup. Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta Orange, and lemonade with crushed ice and a scoop of ice cream.
Now that sounds disgusting.
Hey, it'll grow on you.
Nah, I think I'll just order a hamburger with some mustard and lettuce and a glass of water.
Boring. Hey, would you care for anything else, like a side order of amazing cheesy onion rings?
No, thank you. Onion rings usually don't agree with me.
Okay, your total comes to $10.90.
$10.90? For just a hamburger? You gotta be kidding.
Well, the 1 pound super deluxe hamburger is $9.
Hey, I didn't order a 1 pound burger. I just wanted a simple burger, that's all.
Well, sir, Joe's Hamburger Restaurant only serves 1 pound burgers.
Man.
The 1 pound super hot and spicy,
Ugh.
the 1 pound barbecue burger, and the
Ugh.
1 pound bacon cheeseburger. The 1 pound...
No, those are all huge.
Well, sir, if you really want something smaller, you should order from the kids menu. The half-pound super hot and spicy burger, the half-pound barbecue burger,
No.
the half-pound bacon cheeseburger,
This is
the
same.
half-pound...
No, those are still giant burgers.
Well, in these parts, we are hearty eaters.
Okay, but you said my total was $10.90, but the burger only comes to $10. What about the other 90 cents?
Well, sir, we only serve natural spring water from yonder hills.
And okay. I'll take the giant burger and a bottle of your spring water. The sandwich should feed me for a week.
Got the answers now? Or we'll listen to it the last time.
Last time, please.
Last time? Yeah, we're gonna try to pick up the answers because they speak a little bit fast. So we're gonna check later, okay? Let's listen to it the last time.
Hi, welcome to Joe's Hamburger Restaurant,
Hi.
home of the 1 pound super deluxe hot and spicy cheeseburger. Will this be for here or to go?
To go.
Okay, what would you like today? Would you like to try the 1 pound super hot and spicy cheeseburger?
I don't think so. I'd probably have heartburn for a week after downing that monster.
Well, it's our house special this week, and it comes with
Yeah.
fries and a large specialty drink called Everything But the Kitchen Sink.
A what? Everything but the kitchen sink? What in the world is that?
Well, it's a little mix of everything in a large cup. Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta Orange, and lemonade with crushed ice and a scoop of ice cream.
Now that sounds disgusting.
Hey, it'll grow on you.
Nah, I think I'll just order a hamburger with some mustard and lettuce and a glass of water.
Boring. Hey, would you care for anything else, like a side order of amazing cheesy onion rings?
No, thank you. Onion rings usually don't agree with me.
Okay, your total comes to $10.90.
$10.90? For just a hamburger? You gotta be kidding.
Well, the 1 pound super deluxe hamburger is $9.
Hey, I didn't order a 1 pound burger. I just wanted a simple burger, that's all.
Well, sir, Joe's Hamburger Restaurant only serves 1 pound burgers.
Man.
The 1 pound super hot and spicy,
Ugh.
the 1 pound barbecue burger, and the 1 pound bacon cheeseburger. The 1 pound...
No, those are all huge.
Well, sir, if you really want something smaller, you should order from the kids menu. The half-pound super hot and spicy burger, the half-pound barbecue burger,
No.
the half-pound bacon cheeseburger,
This is
the
same.
half-pound...
No, those are still giant burgers.
Well, in these parts, we are hearty eaters.
Okay, but you said my total was $10.90, but the burger only comes to $10. What about the other 90 cents?
Well, sir, we only serve natural spring water from yonder hills.
And okay. I'll take the giant burger and a bottle of your spring water. The sandwich should feed me for a week.
Okay, let's see what we got. The customer doesn't buy the recommended sandwich because
It's too expensive for him.
you think it's too expensive. Okay, Manuel says it's too expensive.
Me too. It's too expensive for him right now.
Okay, Rebecca also says too expensive. Somebody else who has a different one? No, okay, we're gonna choose that one. Though it's not correct. Actually, he says this. I don't think so. I will probably have heartburn for a week after downing that monster, right? Heartburn is agruras, right? If you are interested in the term. Heartburn. So he's worried about the effect on his body. Yeah, heartburn. You can just check it on the deep help. Ardor, right? Acidez. Agruras, yeah. Tiene varios, right? So if you have heartburn, that's how you say. Okay, the next one says the combo meal doesn't come with. The options are a dessert or a sandwich. Obviously, it should be a dessert because a sandwich is what we're talking about. this week, unless you're doing everything, so it doesn't have a dessert. Very good. How does the specialty drink get its name?
It is
It
provided
comes
in the
in
kitchen
a very
sink.
light room.
One more time. This is the name, right? Everything but the kitchen sink.
It is prepared in the
The
kitchen
kitchen
sink.
sink.
Mm, I don't think. You know the kitchen sink? It's like lavaplatos. I don't think the drink is prepared in the kitchen sink. It will be disgusting, you know? No, it contains a wide range of ingredients. It has Pepsi, Sprite, Fanta, orange, and lemonade with a crushed ice and a scoop of ice cream. It doesn't sound, I don't know, tasty or delicious. Okay, the next one. The man is surprised with the price of his meal because
He thinks the meal is quite overpriced.
yeah, it's way overpriced. It's too much, right? Too much money. And at the end, the customer decides to come again later, order something from the menu, or go somewhere else. You remember?
Order something from the menu.
Yeah, he orders something. It says, I'll take the giant burger, a bottle of your spring water. And it says, the sandwich should feed me for a week, que le va a alcanzar para una semana. So that's what he said at the end. Okay, this audio was a little bit difficult to understand. I will be sincere with you. So you have to pay attention to details. Okay, but if you got something, that's nice. You're getting better with the listening. Now, let me explain to you. Well, I'll take you back to the manual. Today, we're gonna check how to use may and might. These are modal verbs to talk about, well, most of the time, we use them when we talk about probability, possibility, we speculate, right? But also we use them to give permission or ask for permission in a polite way. So I will show you a picture containing the explanation. They are very, I will say similar, right? But we talk about percentages. So we can interchange may or might in different situations. But there is only one difference, right? You cannot use might in questions. That is the only difference. If you are going to ask a question, you have to use may. If it is a question, then the rest, they are certain ways similar, okay? So we use them to talk about possibility. Example, let me ask Marvin, can you read the example of possibility?
Yes. It might rain later, so take an umbrella.
Thank you very much. That means you're using might. The possibility is 40% chance. Okay, so you're not sure. There are no clouds, so you don't know, right? You use might. We also use it to give permission. Okay, let me ask Monica, could you read give permission?
You may have another cookie if you like.
Thank you very much. So that is 70% chance. Probably you saw the intention of the person, right? Ya lo vio como queriendo a la persona agarrar la galleta, así que you say, you may have another cookie. Okay? So it's 70% chance. Okay. You can also ask for permission using may. Veronica, Lisette, could you read it?
May I borrow your pen, please?
Thank you. So that is when you ask for permission. Como les decía, solo se puede usar may para preguntas. No podemos usar might. Okay. Also, we use it to express wishes. Manuel David, could you read it?
Express things.
Express wishes.
Okay, may the new year, May the new year bring you happiness.
Thank you very much. Transition of this. Everybody repeats. Bring.
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 Okay, so to express wishes. If you like Star Wars, I remember, I think it was Alejandra who said that like Star Wars. There is a very famous quote from Star Wars, right? May the 4th be with you, right? I don't remember in Spanish, right? Que la fuerza vaya o sea contigo. I don't remember how it's in Spanish, right? But this is a
Creo que es
wish.
que la fuerza te
Ah,
acompañe.
exacto, sí, yo no soy fan, sorry.
Yo
You see,
tampoco.
I don't like it. Very good, thank you for saving me. Okay, so may the force be with you, right? That is in English. So this is expressing a wish. And you can use like to express wishes. For example, you can say, may God be with you. Que Dios te acompañe también es una forma de decir. May God be with you, right? So to express a wish, you can also use may. And finally, we have to speculate about past actions. Well, I will read this one. No se lo voy a explicar ahorita porque esta estructura es bastante avanzada, pero igual se ocupa para esto. She is late, she may have missed her plane. Acá es como cuando usted dice, ella podría haber perdido su avión. So that is a structure we're going to check in the future, right? In advanced levels. But we use them most of the time for possibility, give permission, ask for permission, and express wishes. May and might can normally be interchanged, as I told you, right? Se pueden intercambiar without a significant difference in meaning. However, might often implies a smaller chance of something happening. When expressing wishes or giving permission, only may is used. Cuando se desea algo o se pide permiso, perdón, cuando se da permiso solamente se ocupa may. Y también para preguntas. Para el resto se pueden intercambiar. If you are talking about possibility, if you are asking for permission, or if you are, let's say, speculating about past actions. So they are very similar, only the percentages. May is 70% and might is 40%, right? So for example, if you say, I may help you, podría ayudarte es 70% de probabilidad. And if you say, I might help you, es 40%, 40%. La traducción de ambos es podría. So in Spanish is the same, right? So only the percentages change. Any question? No. So it's time to practice. Let's return to the manual. There are 6 sentences here. It says, create sentences using the provided words and may or might. Write a complement when needed. So you have the subjects and not be satisfied, right? So you can decide if you use may or if you use might, or you can create one with each of them. So we're gonna complete the activity in the breakout rooms. You have to do it in the manual, and then we return and check the answers. You understand? Something that is important to mention, right? I already told you, these are modal verbs, right? Son verbos modales, modal verbs. And every time you use a modal verb, the base form of the verb is needed, right? Siempre que usamos verbos modales, el verbo principal va a ir en su forma base. No le va a agregar S, no le va a agregar ed, ing, anything, right? Siempre que haya un modal verb in base form. Do not forget that. So we're gonna create the sentences and then we're gonna return and check. It is page 24.
He may not be satisfied.
Yes.
Esa sería la primera.
Second.
Be longer.
Yo pienso the warranty
The
May,
warranty.
may be longer.
may be longer.
Longer. Number 3.
In service.
The service not be excellent. El servicio no está excelente o no será o no estuvo excelente. Algo así. No es excelente. El servicio no es excelente.
The service
The service no.
Sorry, Miss, perdón.
The service.
Yo digo que es make.
Make.
Not be,
Make o may. O may.
make.
Make.
Aquí poner.
O sea que puede ser excelente o no puede ser excelente.
Podría ser excelente.
Podría ser excelente.
Podría no ser excelente.
Not be excellent. Number 4, you recommend. You recommend.
You may recommend.
Recomendar. Tú recomiendas o tú. You recommend.
¿Cuál?
Podría ser you may we at different store. ¿Verdad?
La
Number
primera.
1.
¿Cuál podría ser, dice?
La que dice you may
Buy at different store.
A different store. No sé, pienso.
Podría comprar en una diferente tienda. En diferentes
Porque
tiendas.
se supone que él no está satisfecho.
Sí, podría ser esa entonces. Ponemos esa.
Sí,
Ya voy a
porque
ver.
reembolso no, porque, bueno, si ya lo compró, sí, ¿verdad? También puede. He may not be satisfied because the indication is clear sentence using the words. Y, o sea, que hay que usar las dos palabras. He y not be satisfied. Entonces, como que él no, permítame ver. Ya la cambió, compañero.
Sí, es que como quise editarla, pero ahí me mandó para como hacerlo PDF. Ahorita lo estoy buscando. Aquí está otra vez.
Ok. Entonces, may o might. He might not be satisfied. Los dos quieren decir lo mismo. Sí, como el 70% es may, como, como un, como, como le,
Ah, entonces es como que
he might.
he
For
might not.
our kids, he might not be satisfied. And the question
My or my,
I mean,
might not because is
might not.
my is 60%
Hi, everybody. Welcome back.
Yes, finally.
Yeah, finally, right? Time to check. So the first one, what did you write? He not be satisfied.
He might.
He meaning not the satisfied.
He may not be satisfied. Okay. He may not be satisfied. This depends on the percentage. You can also say he might not satisfied. If you see that the person is, I don't know, probably didn't like the product, and you see his or her face, and you say, oh, you think he may not be satisfied. Okay, what about number 2? The warranty be longer.
Excuse me, teacher. Las dos opciones serían buenas.
Depending on the percentage.
Okay.
Remember, one is with clearer evidence, right? Una es con mayor porcentaje porque hay evidencia y la otra es menor porcentaje porque no hay mucha evidencia. Imaginando el producto, en este caso, por ejemplo, era un celular, ¿verdad? Pero usted no vio la reacción de la persona al abrir, al desempacar el producto, sino que solamente se imagina que podría no estar satisfecho. Pero si usted ve que abre el producto y mira su rostro, mira que no le gusta, puede decir he may not, porque hay más evidencia. So it depends on the percentage.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. What about the number 2?
The warranty may be longer.
Maybe longer, right? Longer. And number 3?
The service might not be excellent.
Might not be excellent. Or
May not.
okay, in here you need a complement. You may recommend
The service.
this service. You may recommend this service. Number 5.
The weather might.
Could be, might be in a hurry. And number 6, Amanda not use.
Mike. Amanda Mike.
Might not use the transportation. Again. So as I tell you, this is about percentages. Mine is 40% and may 70% when you have evidence. So either of them can work depending on the context. Okay. Now, it's time to check the attendance. Give me a second. Class number 8. So let's start with Marvin Rafael.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Naum Elias. Irma Araceli.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. Wendy Lorena. Elsie Graciela. Mario Noel.
Present, teacher.
Thank you. José Roberto.
Present, teacher.
Thanks. Ana Yesenia. No, I think hasn't participated. Daisy Arely.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Oscar Ernesto.
Present teacher.
Thanks. Daniela Aide.
Present vote.
Verónica Lisset.
Present, teacher.
Okay. Manuel David.
Present, mister.
Gabriel Wilfredo. Melvin Gerardo.
Present, teacher.
David Alexander. Rebeca Lisset.
Present, teacher.
Daisy Alejandra. Mónica Yanet.
Present.
Thank you. René Iván.
Present.
Okay. Sandra Lisset.
Present.
Thanks. Cynthia Alexandra.
Present.
Okay. And Mario Josué.
Here, teacher.
Very good. Okay, in the next activity, we're gonna check another practice. Okay, we have to choose either may or might, depending on the most suitable answer. So it says, I have some tea. So would we use may or might?
Might.
Might.
May. May.
May.
May.
Okay, remember, we cannot use might for questions. We can use may only for affirmative or negative. May is the only option for questions.
Okay.
So may I have some tea? She asked if she
May.
no. Ok, este es un tema un poquito más avanzado, pero might es el pasado de may. Okay. Y a esto de abajo se le llama reported speech. Okay. El reported speech es cuando usted cuenta lo que alguien más dijo. Entonces hay un cambio de forma gramatical, pero eso es un tema avanzado. Obviamente, si usted ocupa may, el pasado de may es might. Acá sería como ella preguntó si yo quería tomar té. Es como cuando usted dice en español, ¿te gusta el café? Entonces, cuando usted le reporta, cuando usted le cuenta a alguien más, él me preguntó si me gustaba el café. Entonces, usted pasa del presente simple al pasado imperfecto. ¿No? Pretérito imperfecto, que se conoce también en español. Pero ese es un tema más elevado. Don't pay attention to that. Number 2. He arrived today, but I am not sure. Dice, no estoy seguro. Entonces,
Might.
if you're not sure, you use might.
Might.
Right? Porque es una probabilidad menor. He might arrive today, but I'm not sure. Can I play now, Mom? No, you may not or might not until you finish your work.
Might not.
May
Might
not.
not.
Might.
May not.
Permission.
May not.
May not.
May not, because this is higher probability. In this case, it's denying permission. So you use may, right? Siempre para negar, obviamente vamos a usar el que tiene mayor porcentaje de probabilidad. In this case is may. What about this one? I was afraid that
May.
I may be late. Again, el que tiene mayor porcentaje de probabilidad. Okay. Number 5, you shout in class. Shout is the synonym of scream.
May not.
May not. You may not, right? No debes gritar en clases. You may not. Okay. Number 6, I love you, Dad. Be the best father in the world.
May.
May.
You may be. You may be the best father in the world. 7, God have mercy on your soul. May God have mercy on your soul. This is a wish. Number 8, I told them I go if I felt like it, but I wasn't sure.
Make.
It says I wasn't sure.
Might.
So it could be. And the number 9, students only borrow 4 books at a time.
May.
Now let's change the sentences. Instead of using perhaps, that is quizá in Spanish, we have to use may or might. So number 1, it says, perhaps the orange shoes will suit you better than the black ones. How can we change the sentence using may? The idea? You have to eliminate perhaps.
The orange. May.
May not.
Is it affirmative or negative?
Affirmative.
It's affirmative. May suit you better than the black one. So it is too easy that it looks like difficult, but it's easy, right? The orange shoes may suit you better than the black ones. What about the number 2? Probably I will wear a silver dress tonight, but I am not sure. So you use might.
I might wear a silver dress tonight.
That's correct. I might wear silver dress tonight.
I'm not sure.
But I'm not sure. Number 3.
This may.
May.
Who?
Asking a question.
Who may. Wear this white shirt.
Very good. So you only change the auxiliary. I mean the modal verb. Instead of will, you use may. Who may wear this white shirt? And the number 4.
Jack might not put this jacket.
Very good. Instead of saying perhaps, right, you say Jack might not put on his jacket. So let's check. We have 5 because we didn't match this part. I might delay. Okay. So for the second part of the practice, I will share this link. And you are going to choose either may or might. There are 12 sentences. May is for higher possibility or probability, and might is for lower probability. So you decide which one to write. Try to write it lowercase, okay? Lowercase is in minúscula. So try to write it in lowercase so that you have the answer correct. I think. Let me see. Maybe see. Yeah, I think it's in lowercase. Okay, so I will share the link and you complete the activity. You understand? Okay, I'll share it here and also through WhatsApp.
Make but you have a theory.
Higher possibility. May you may
Make it on time. But you have to.
Number 5. Lucy is in the last place. She loves race.
May.
Lower possibility. No.
Es May, porque, bueno, ahí dice que Lucy quedó en el último lugar. Entonces, tiene probabilidad de que perdió la carrera.
Yes. I agree.
Thank you.
Number 6. Don't go to the movie theater tomorrow. It is my company.
May. Seven. They may cancel the match today because of the rain.
Here is May.
Yes.
Sí.
The question is different.
To make it on time. Sería Lucy está en último lugar. Mike. Ajá. You have.
Lucy is the last place.
No, la otra creo yo. No sé qué pienso.
Dice jugarlo a tiempo, pero como que está como una posibilidad de que lo va a hacer. ¿Va?
No está tan seguro.
Ajá.
You might.
You may. Eso. May.
Yo may.
May es number 2. Okay.
May, no con la otra.
Ay, la otra. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
La lower possibility.
No, okay.
Lucy is the last place. She might lose the race.
May.
Might.
Okay.
Yo creo que nos sale decir mejor la de mayor o la de
lower
menor.
possibility.
Possibility.
Si alguien más tiene otra opinión, pues adelante ahí.
Yes.
Me dice y lo cambiamos. Okay. Lucy is in the last place.
I think it's May. May.
Podría ser perdida en la carretera. Ok. May me dijeron. May o May.
Yo pienso, pero no sé los demás.
It's May.
May o May.
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 Sí.
May.
Ok. Tom podría ir
May.
al teatro mañana. May.
Aunque en la FAI podría ser
May.
May.
Yes.
Hay más probabilidades que pierda la carrera.
Ajá, porque dice que está en el último lugar.
Exacto.
In the last place. Ok. Pensé que dice entonces, May.
No sé qué piensa Mr. Cortés.
Yes, it's May.
Entonces, así como estaba, May.
No.
May. Ok. Es que me están diciendo May. Entonces es May, entonces es la que estaba. Ajá. Ajá. Es por cómo se escribe, es como que tienden a irse por eso. Exacto. Ok, Tom podría ir al teatro de película mañana.
La possibility.
Esa posibilidad.
Sería
Look the
May.
picture. My.
May.
Possibility is my.
My, ajá, my, ajá, my. Might. Ok, day.
Ahí está 2 veces, ¿verdad?
May. Ya está ahí.
May. Ya lo hubieran puesto aquí.
May cancel the match today because of the rain. Yo pienso que...
Pondrás may. Es de poner la palabra.
Bye.
Yo creo que siempre sería May porque por la lluvia, dice. O sea, no dice porque tal vez llueva, sino que dice por la lluvia. Pero no sé ahí los demás.
Ellos podrían cancelar el partido hoy, ¿por qué?
Just that.
Finish.
Okay, finish. We go to check the answers. Number 1, okay. 2, okay. 3, okay. 4, okay. 5, okay. 6, okay. Aquí no dice que no. ¿Cuál era lo correcto? Exam may be delayed. Era may. Un poco confuso.
In the number 7, the answer is there already. It says may.
¿Cómo?
In the number 7, the answer is there, right? Ya estaba ahí la respuesta. They may cancel.
Ahí nos preguntábamos.
Yes. A veces pasa eso. And in the number 10, it says the exam. Mire, ahí puede ser cualquiera de las dos. It can be any. Como le digo, ahí el contexto va a decir, ¿verdad? Para mí esa podría ser might be delayed, pero dependerá de por qué. Como no hay contexto, puede ser may or might. Se puede usar cualquiera de las dos, dependiendo siempre si hay evidencia. In this case, no big difference. Realmente no es una gran diferencia. Solo cuando hay una evidencia incontrovertible, ahí sí, de hecho, puede usarse may para el 70% o might para el 40%. Very good. Okay, let me just check the other groups and then we return.
Okay.
Un
punto.
Qué
No nos
barbaridad.
podemos regresar.
¿Cómo no? ¿Podemos hacerlo otra vez?
Pero
Ajá.
es que está mal a las 2 porque dice que está nublado,
You
es muy
failed,
probable que
right?
llueva. Entonces sí está.
Reprobaron.
Pero nos está quitando un punto, teacher. Tenemos 5 y ahí ha puesto 4.
Así que
Usted no ha visto nada, teacher.
En las 7 en las 7 ya les daba la respuesta si usted lo lee.
Ya vieron que lo dijo.
May.
Sí.
Ajá. They may.
¿Qué le dije?
Sí,
Yo soy la que redacto.
Ajá.
Es que nos confundíamos con la pronunciación y él escuchaba otra cosa. Entonces.
Yes.
Sí, mire, acá la respuesta puede ser cualquiera de las dos dependiendo de qué tan certera es la probabilidad, ¿verdad? Pero no hay una gran diferencia realmente a la hora de hablar, ¿verdad? No es una gran diferencia.
Estamos bien entonces.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Pero viendo la número 2,
Okay.
sí nos equivocamos porque ahí dice que está nublado. Entonces, si está nublado, es más probable que llueva. Y ahí nos
Exacto.
equivocamos.
Ahí es donde está la diferencia, ¿verdad? Si usted tiene evidencia, si usted tiene evidencia es más probable. Si no tiene evidencia es menos probable.
Vale.
Exactly.
Ok,
But you
vamos a
can do it
hacerlo otra
again.
vez.
You can do it again.
Hasta que ya nos equivocamos.
Lo vamos a hacer otra vez.
Vamos a ver.
Hello, mister.
Did you finish?
Yes, mister.
You got a
Yes.
10?
The two Two
8.
Two mistakes.
malas.
2 mistakes. Which ones?
Yes.
¿Cuáles? Which ones?
The number first
Raise
and
coughing.
fourth sentence.
Ajá, ok. ¿Por qué está ahí? Porque dice que está tosiendo. Quiere decir que ella, hay una gran probabilidad de que esté enferma. Entonces, por eso sería may.
May. Okay.
And in number 4, but you'll have to hurry. Won't be, estaría correcto realmente, pero no sé cómo explicarles que la mayoría del tiempo usamos may cuando hacemos ese tipo de sugerencia. You may make it on time, but you have it. Cuando se habla en una conversación diaria, digamos, no hay una gran diferencia entre may or might. Ahora, si usted tiene evidencia, es mayor probabilidad, por ende va a usar may. Y si tiene poca evidencia o ninguna evidencia, va a usar might. That is the only difference.
Okay.
So, nice job.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you.
Okay. Welcome back, everybody. Well, probably you didn't have time to double check the examples, right? So, as I was explaining to some of you, the difference between may and might is not that big. Depending on the evidence, you can use may if it is higher probability, or you may use might if it is lower probability, but they are very similar. Now I need you to think about some sentences that talking about things that you may or might do tomorrow, depending on the probability. My example is this one. I may, what? I may buy an ice cream tomorrow. So it's a 70% probability. I really want to eat ice cream. So I might buy ice cream. So I need you to create a sentence, okay, using may or might, depending on their probability to do the thing. I might go running. It's a lower probability. Somebody who has an example?
I may work tomorrow.
Okay, that is 70% probability. I may work tomorrow. You can also use an impersonal one. It may rain tomorrow morning. It may rain tomorrow morning.
I may make the homework after the class.
I may do the homework.
Do the homework
Tomorrow or after class.
after class.
Okay, it's a 70% probability.
I may to pay internet tomorrow. Pay internet tomorrow.
Remember, use the base form, right? I may pay.
Okay. I make pay.
I may sleep in other moment.
I may sleep in a moment.
In a moment. Okay.
I may sleep in a moment.
En un momento.
I may cook tomorrow.
Okay, I may cook tomorrow. It's a possibility. Or you may buy pupusas, right?
I might eat meal.
Negrito que le hemos traído.
Meat.
Meat. Meat. Tomorrow.
Okay. There we go. And this is something that happens, right? Si se fija, estamos ocupando may or might, pero con sentido de futuro. Siempre lleva un cierto sentido de futuro, ya sea para unos minutos después, mañana, la otra semana. It depends, right? So we can use it for future as well, even though it's simple present. Okay. It's already 9:30, guys. So it's time to finish the class. I hope you have a great rest. See you tomorrow at 7:30, okay? Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow,
Bye,
teacher.
teacher.
Good
Bye.
night.
See you tomorrow. Good night.
Everybody.
Tomorrow, teacher.
Okay.